Thanks, Damien. Leftover pancakes that you got from Denny's. Thank you. Alright, Damien. Whatever. Yes, it's pancakes today. Alright, I'm just gonna make me some tea. I can't believe he... Damien. Oh, sorry. Damien got me Halloween pancakes. It's not from Denny's. Why did he say Denny's if it has the IHOP logo? I'm really trying not to laugh right now that he got both IHOP and Denny's mixed up. Halloween, everybody. Wow. I'm just gonna take this out. And Beast Boy left a lime, and I don't know Garfield. Why Garfield? All right. Let's just keep going. All right, everything is sorry, I had to wow. Jasmine tea. All right, let's go. Why did I have it in there a little bit too long? Ow. That's all right. Yeah. Pancakes, everybody, from Denny's. I mean IHOP. I still can't stop laughing at that. I mean, at least Superman knows the difference between Denny's and IHOP. I gotta tell Dick about this. He's gonna laugh his ass off at this. Major window left. Let me see if there's enough water in the kettle. Oh, there's plenty of water. Just need to get some lemon. There's lime in here too, so it's lime and lemon in both areas. Oh yeah, for the pancakes. I'll just get some jelly. Even though Starfire, for some reason Starfire puts mustard and ketchup on her pancakes, or barbecue sauce. Don't know why, but it's very interesting to know. Jelly's still good. Oh, it's got 3. Yeah. There it is. I was looking for a fork and a butter knife. For some reason, when I put jelly, that's a little bit too much jelly. Why did you have to fall? You have to fall. You really have to fall off my pancakes. Are you serious? Are you really serious? Okay. It's whatever. It's whatever. Okay. My pancakes look like a hot mess. They look like a homicide murder scene. It's all right. I mean, when I tried to put, well, it was one time that Todd wanted me to put jelly on his waffles. He had Vietnam flashbacks, I should say. So, yeah, my pancakes are gonna look like a homicide murder scene. I'm just gonna try these so-called Denny's pancakes. Let's just roll with that. I am not gonna let it go. Damien's gonna get so pissed at me, but it's whatever. It doesn't taste that. Doesn't taste horrible. It tastes extremely sweet. I mean, it tastes like sugar diabetes. But, I mean, it tastes good. I mean, I didn't go heavy with the jelly, so the jelly would not overwhelm the sweetness. It still tastes good. I'm sorry to say it, but it tastes better than Garfield's tofu pancakes. It really does. I'm gonna just enjoy these pancakes. I don't care. Look at that. Jelly, stop running from me. Jelly, the jelly is legit running from me. You can't run from me. I don't know what to do today. Wait, see, I got something from Snapchat from Dick. Oh my god. Let's stay professional. Let's stay professional. I always knew that Damien had an angelic voice. I always knew Damien had an angelic voice. I see why he's always naturally upset when somebody tried to tell him to sing. Oh well. Let me just send this tea over to Starfire. She don't even feel good right now. I should also do a living for myself. I am so glad I don't have no cuts on me. Would have been the worst experience. Tea is perfect. Like always. Let me just... Let me bring this over to the table. Lemony jasmine tea. Best kind in town. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom, for giving me that gift for my birthday. Best gift ever, which is tea. Freaking love tea. Tea is everything to me. Hmm. Hmm. Dick's Instagram stories are so funny. When it involves Damien, no. Hashtag IHOP versus Denny's. IHOP versus Denny's 2022. Well, he's gonna forever have that in his grave. I wonder if he ever have that in his gravestone. Oh well. I'll agree with that one too. Hashtag 2022 Denny's versus IHOP. And said it.